Did you know that lightning never strikes the same place twice is a myth? In the next few seconds, you'll learn the truth about this common belief. Contrary to popular opinion, lightning often strikes the same place more than once. Tall structures and isolated trees are frequent targets. The Empire State Building, for example, gets hit about 25 times a year. This happens because tall objects offer the path of least resistance for the lightning's electrical discharge. Next time someone tells you this myth, you can set the record straight. So, the answer is false. Lightning can and does strike the same place multiple times. Hit the like button if you found this useful. Subscribe for more quick and interesting facts.